Hey guys, welcome back sa isa na namang video. So this is part 4 ng ating programming fundamentals, and for today, pag-aaralan natin ngayon yung common concepts of programming. So ano yung common concepts of programming, guys? So from the word common, magkakamuka. So basahin natin yung overview ng ating common concepts. So programming languages, regardless of their variation, they almost have the same structures. Sometimes, a language can be more complicated or even simpler depending on its syntax, but still they have plenty of common logic. So, for today, pag-aaralan natin ngayon yung mga pare-parehong structure ng iba't ibang programming language. So, alam nyo kasi guys, meron tayong sinasabi sa programming, pagka natutunan mo ng isang programming language, madali mo na lang maiintindihan yung iba't ibang programming language, guys. So, totoo yun. So, alam nyo kung bakit. Mamaya makikita nyo kung bakit. Yun yung pag-aaralan natin ngayon. So, along the way guys, pag-aaralan nga natin yung concepts. Hindi na din kayo malilito when it comes na mag-aaral na kayo ng iba't ibang programming language. So, kung ano man yung gusto nyong pag-aralan na programming language, makikita nyo na meron ding ganito dun sa pag-aaralan nyo. So, yun nga yung common concept nila. So, meron silang pagkakamuka ng lahat ng programming language. So, eto nga ngayon yun. So, first of all, ito yung unang-unang magkakamukha sa isang programming language. Ang programming language, lagi siyang may variable. So, regardless kung C++, C, Java, Python, JavaScript, or kung ano man yung programming language niyan, meron niyang variable sigurado. Because it is a word or a letter that serves as a temporary storage of values depending on its data type. So, mamaya, babasahin din natin kung ano yung data type. So, ayan nga, so variables, ginagamit siyang temporary storage. So, alangan namang walang storage yung ating programming. So, dapat meron yung storage. So, variables nga tawag doon. So, every programming language has a variable to store temporary data for use in a certain program. So, eto nga, ano ba yung data type? So, ang data types are types of data to be used in a program. So, ito yung mga common data types na halos lahat ng programming language meron. So, first of all is yung string, which is nag-i-store ng text. Integer, which is nag-i-store ng positive and negative numbers. So, walang decimal, integers nga. So, yung float naman, nag-i-store siya ng decimal numbers. Character naman, nag-store siya ng isang letter or symbol. So, single letter or symbol. Yung boolean naman, true or false lang. So, may papakita ko sa inyong code, guys. So, hindi nyo naman kailangan intindihin kung ano yung ginagawa ng code, but look at the similarity. So, pag pagkukumparahin natin ngayon yung Java syntax and yung C++ syntax. So, as you can see, pagka nagde-declare tayo ng variables, ito yung Java. So, as you can see, ito yung mga data type natin, yung string, int, float, char, and boolean. So, ito yung character, ito yung boolean. So, as you can see, in the C++ syntax, magkamukha lang sila halos. So, ano nila pinagkaiba nila? Yung main dun sa taas. And makikita nyo, yung float dito, may F sa dulo. Dito, wala. So, makikita nyo guys, may pattern yung mga ating programming language. So, magkakamukha sila. So, may mga similarity sila na halos kamukhang kamukha at meron namang ibang konti lang yung pinagkaiba nila guys. So, as you can see, string name, tapos may laman siya na name. So, as you can see, same lang din dito. Ito, lowercase lang yung S dito, uppercase. So, kung gusto nyo pag-aralan yan, meron tayong mga tutorial for Java and C++. So, sa Java, in the near future, magkakaroon na tayo ng tutorial. And yung sa C++, complete na yung series natin doon. So, go watch it kung gusto nyo nang matuto mag-C++. So, for today kasi, tinitingnan natin yung mga common concepts para alam nyo na ngayon kung ano yung i-expect nyo sa isang programming language. So, kahit anong programming language to guys. So, next, we have the arithmetic operators. So, alam nyo naman yung arithmetic operators. Programming languages will always have arithmetic operators. So, arithmetic operators may be used between variables. So, for example nga, kanina may variable tayo, num1 and num2. So, variable name yung tawag yan. Kung pinanood nyo yung last episode natin, sa mga pseudocodes and flowcharts, gumagamit na tayo ng variables doon, which is may variable name. So, kahit ano yung variable name. So, the following are arithmetic operators. So, as you can see, meron tayong addition, meron tayong subtraction, meron tayong multiply, and meron tayong division. So, as you can see, meron din tayo ditong additional 1, yung percent sign, which stands for modulo. So, modulo. So, ito yung mga ginagawa nila. So, obviously, yung addition, nag-add, yung subtraction, nag-subtract, yung multiply, nag-multiply, and yung division sign, nagdi-divide. Yung sa modulo naman, guys, dinidivide din niya yung number, but yung kinukuha niyang result is yung remainder. So, as you can see here, yung usage niya, 5 plus 5, 10, 5 minus 5, 0, 5 times 5, 25, 5 divided by 2 is equals to 2. Di ba may remainder yun na 1? So, as you can see, 5 modulo 2 is 1. Bakit? Kasi 5 divided by 2 is 2. So, meron pang natirang isa. So, may remainder 1. So, yun yung kinukuha ni modulo, yung remainder nung division na yun. Okay, gets? So, good. So, as you can see guys, we can also apply the arithmetic operator. So, pagka compare uli natin yung Java and yung C++, as you can see, magkamukha siya. So, as you can see, nag-declare tayo ng int num1 na may 5 na value. Meron din tayong int num2 na may 5 na value. Then, meron tayong sum na walang laman. Then, yung sum, in-equals natin doon sa num1 plus num2. So, kung pinanood nyo yung flowchart and pseudocode, makikita nyo na ganyan yung ginawa nating problem. So, ayan yun. So, as you can see guys, sa Java syntax, ganito. Send yung sa C++ syntax, ganito. So, magkamukha sila as you can see. So, papansinin nyo, halos pareho lang lahat ng programming language. So, sa mga Python din ganon. But, meron lang silang konting differences. And then, ayun na, magagets mo na agad yung mga program na nandun. So, meron lang minsan na dadagdag, meron minsan na babawas dun sa mga syntax ng ating programming language. But, as you can see here nga, sa Java and C++, wala silang pinagkaiba halos. Konting-konti lang. So, ayun. Let's continue on. We have the conditional statement. So, lahat ng programming language may conditional statement. So, from the word condition, meron tayong condition. So, conditional statements are used so that the program itself can decide what to do in a certain situation by the use of if, else, and else-if conditions, which are often present through all programming language. So, yung conditional statement nga, meron siyang condition in order na may ma-run na program. So, kunwari nga, from the last episode ulit. So, kung sinusundan niyo yung series na to, madali niyo maiintindihan to. So, meron nga tayo, diba guys, na problem na odd or even. So, is this number odd? Pagka odd yung number, ipiprint natin odd. Pero kung hindi, even, syempre. So, yun yung ginagawa ng conditional statement. So, kung naalala niyo yung diamond, yun yung conditional statement. But, hindi pa yun sa programming. So, mamaya, ipapakita namin sa inyo yung itsura ng code. So ngayon, hindi pa naman natin kailangan mag-code. But, kailangan lang natin maintindihan yung logic behind this programming languages. So, meron siyang pattern behind this. So, kahit anong programming language ganito, meron tayong logic na sinusundan. So, yung conditional statement nga, yun yung nagpapatalino ng program natin. So, nakakapag-decide na siya sa sarili niya based on dun sa in-indicate ng programmer na condition. So, kunwari, eto nga. Ayun, nun nakalagay. Example, is 2 an even number? Yes, then proceed. Is 4 an odd number? No, then skip. So, hindi niya iraran pagka hindi na met yung condition. So, dapat yung condition is odd number. Kaso 4 yung input. So, hindi siya odd number. So, i-skip natin yung part na yun. So, yun yung ginagawa ng conditional statement. So, as you can see, conditional statement works by comparing a value with another value. If the condition is met, then run this step. If not, skip this step. So, yun na nga. So, guys, meron nga tayong tinatawag din na logical operators which are often used in combination with the conditional statement. So, ito yung mga nagiging condition natin. So, ito yung ginagamit to compare values. So, logical operators are applicable with variables. So, yung mga variables yung pinagko-compare natin. So, meron nga kasing value yung variables, di ba? So, yung laman ng variable na yun yung pagko-compare natin. So, for example nga, yung num1 may 5, yung num2 may 5 din. So, pwede natin pag-compare yung dalawa na yun. So, mamaya makikita nyo kung paano yun. So, as you can see, meron tayong mga operators dito. First of all, we have the double equals which is equals to. So, iba yung isang equal and yung dalawang equal. Pagka dalawang equal, it is comparison. So, comparison. Pagka isa lang, it is an assignment. So, huwag nyo kakalimutan yun. Baka malito kayo. So, dapat dalawang equals when we are comparing. So, operator is double equals. So, usage nga is 2 is equals to 2. Oo. So, true yung lalabas. So, ngayon, meron tayo ditong operator, exclamation point, and then equal sign. So, ang ibig sabihin yan is not equal to. So, is 2 not equals to 2? False, kasi equals yung 2 sa 2. Kaya false yung lalabas niyan. So, ibig sabihin, pagka kinumpare natin yan, hindi magraran yung part ng code na yan kasi false nga. Gets? Okay, good. Ngayon, meron tayong greater than sign, which is alam nyo na yan. So, is 5 greater than 3? True. So, yun na nga, magraran yung part ng code na yan. Then, we have the less than sign. So, less than, so is 5 less than 5? 5 is equals to 5 but not less than 5. So, false. So, meron din tayo tinatawag na greater than or equal. So, ayan, greater than sign tapos equal sign. Is 5 greater than or equals 5? Hindi siya greater than 5 but it is equals to 5. So, kaya true pa rin yung lalabas. Okay, gets? Then, lastly, we have the less than or equal, which we have less than sign and equal sign. Is 4 less than or equals to 5? Hindi siya equals to 5, but it is less than 5. So, 4 is less than 5. So, kaya true pa rin yung magiging answer. So, yun nga guys, meron tayong iba't ibang operator when we need it. So, kunwari, gusto natin yung average is greater than 95. So, with high honors. So, ang gagawin natin is average greater than 95. Pagka greater than 95 siya, then, i-display natin high honors. So, kung hindi naman, then, hindi siya high honors. Okay, gets? So, ganun yung mga nagiging logic natin. So, we have the special logical operators, which is, this is used when you need two or more condition in a certain statement. So, as you can see, guys, pwede natin pag-combinein yung mga, natin, sa mga comparison. So, as you can see, we have the double ampersand or and we have the two straight lines or. So, or yung tawag sa kanya. So, ano yung pinagkaiba nun, guys? So, as you can see, so, may dalawa tayong equal sign dito. So, is 5 is equals to 5? Totoo, diba? So, dapat true to. But, meron tayong ampersand, which is yung and. Dapat yung 5 is equals to 5 and yung 3 dapat daw equals dun sa 2. Eh, hindi equals sa 2 yung 3. Kaya, false yung lalabas. So, kahit true to, kung false to, false pa rin to. So, gets nyo ba? So, dapat pareho silang true para maging true yung result dito. So, as you can see, is 5 less than 6? True. And is 6 less than 7? True. So, pareho silang true. Nagkasundo sila. Kaya, true na yung lalabas dito. So, pagka and yung ginagamit natin, and, meaning dapat pareho. So, dapat yung condition na isa, and yung condition na isa, parehong true para maging true yung result. Okay? Ngayon, we have the or logical operator. So, ano naman yung or? 'Di ba pagka or, so, kahit alin dun sa dalawa. So, as you can see, guys, is 5 is equals to 5? True. Or, is 5 greater than 6? So, as you can see, false to. Kasi, mas malaki yung 6 sa 5. So, hindi 5 greater than 6. But, true pa rin yung answer niya. So, yung magiging result niya. Bakit? Kasi, or yung ginamit natin. So, either of these na maging true na yung sagot. So, in order for this na maging false, dapat parehong mali yung statement. Okay? So, as you can see, is 10 greater than 9? True. Is 9 greater than 7? True. So, pareho silang true. Nagkasundo ulit sila. Kaya, true pa rin yung lalabas. So, kahit mag-false yung isa dyan, true pa rin yan. Basta may true na isa, true na yung sagot ng buong statement na yon. So, ganun ginagamit yung logical operator, special logical operator. So, makikita nyo pa yan pagka pinag-aralan nyo na as in yung mga programming languages. So, as you can see, we will compare again yung syntax ng Java and yung C++. And as you can see, pareho silang may if-else statement na nagpapatunay na magkamukha sila ng structure. So, meron din yan sa Python, sa JavaScript, meron din tayong if-else statement. So, as you can see here in the part ng Java, we have the if num1 is equals to num2. And as you can see in the part ng C++, if num1 is equals to num2. So, same lang. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila, guys, is yung pagpiprint. So, as you can see, gumamit tayo ng cout dito, then equal. And ang ginamit natin dito is system.out.println, then equal. So, yun yung pinagkaiba. So, yun yung mga kailangan yung pag-aralan. But, yung mga conditional statements, yung mga arithmetic operators, yung mga variables, pareho lang sila ng syntax halos. So, meron lang tayong mga ibang terms. So, yun na lang yung kailangan yung aralin doon. Pagka may natutunan nyo na isang programming language. So, kailangan nyo na lang mag-adjust ng konti para makuha nyo pa yung isang programming language. So, yun yung gusto namin ipa-realize sa inyo na kahit anong programming language yan, meron niyang common factor sa lahat ng programming language. So, next tayo. So, we have the loop statements. So, from the word loop, ulit-ulit. So, loop statements are used to run something on the program repeatedly until a certain condition is met. So, repeatedly. From the word repeatedly, ulit-ulit. Until a certain condition is met. So, may condition na naman. So, pwede na naman natin gamitin dito yung mga logical operators. So, certain condition is met. So, hanggat hindi ka papagod, magtrabaho ka. So, kung pagod ka na, tigil na. So, yun yung mga loop statements. So, commonly used loops are called for loops and while loops. So, kung hindi pa kayo familiar dyan, so, wag nyo munang problemahin. Yun lang yung mga tawag sa mga loops when it comes to programming language. So, sa Python man yan, for loops and while loops. Sa Java, for loops and while loops. Sa C++, for loops and while loops. Sa C, for loops and while loops. So, loops works like this. So, as you can see, pakinggan nyo maputi. While the indicated condition is not met, so, kunwari nga may condition tayo na dapat pagod ka na, keep looping this part until we meet the condition. So, hanggat yung condition nga natin hindi pa na-met, which is yung pagod ka na ba. So, kung hindi ka pa pagod, keep looping this part until mapagod ka na. So, yun yung ibig sabihin nun. So, hanggat hindi ka pa pagod, gawin mo yan. So, pagka napagod ka na, tsaka ka tumigil. So, yun yung, parang ganun yung loops. So, yun yung ginagawa ng loop. So, para mas maintindihan nyo, tingnan nyo yung comparison ulit natin ng Java syntax and C++ syntax. May intindihan nyo to guys. So, as you can see, nag-declare tayo ng isang integer na pangalan I, then equals to 0 siya. So, ngayon, gumamit tayo ng while loop. So, tawag dito while loop. So, while yung I daw is less than or equals to 5, gawin natin to. So, 0 yung I, di ba? 0. Ngayon, i-print natin yung I. So, 0 yung unang lalabas dyan. Ngayon, pagka-print natin yung I, dadagdagan natin yung I ng isa. So, ngayon, magiging 1 na to. So, magiging 1 na to. So, 1 na yan. So, is 1 less than or equals to 5? Oo. So, ulitin niya uli yan. Hanggang ma-meet niya yung condition na dapat hindi na less than or equals to 5. So, ngayon, hindi na magra-run yung ating program pagka na-meet na niya yung condition. So, pagka na-meet na niya yung condition, wala na. Finish na. So, we have the Java syntax and we have the C++ syntax. So, as you can see, magkamukha na naman sila. So, while I is less than equals to 5, while I is less than equals to 5, system.out, cout. So, as you can see, meron tayong pattern na sinusundan. So, wag niyong kakalimutan yun. May pattern na sinusundan lahat ng programming language. Okay, next. We have lastly, ito yung huling-huling pag-aaralan natin for today, functions or methods. So, these are used to group certain functionalities that are assigned to do a task and even return a value. For example, we have separate functions for each arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, each with their own function and return value. So, kung nalilito kayo, huwag kayong malilito. So, i-explain ko yan. So, ano yung functions? So, yung function, it is a group of code. So, parang pinag-group mo yung isang code. So, meron kang isang project, meron kang group ng code dun sa loob ng project na yon. So, kunwari, meron kang group ng code para makakuha ng average. Meron kang group ng code para makuha yung sum. Meron kang group ng code para makuha yung difference. May group ka ng code para mag-multiply. So, pag hihiwa-hiwalayin mo yon, gamit yung functions nga. So, yun yung ginagawa ng functions. Mas ino-organize natin yung ating code. So, yung program natin. So, yun yung ginagawa ng functions or methods. So, as you can see, ito yung yung comparison natin. So, as you can see, we have here, wag kayong malilito guys. So, hindi ko muna i-explain to kasi baka malito kayo. So, we have a function called add. So, ito yung add. So, gumawa tayo ng function na add. Dito din, gumawa tayo ng function na add. So, pinapakita lang namin dito na parehong-pareho yung, halos pareho sila ng syntax. So, makikita nyo, pareho ng logic, pareho na may nire-return. So, as you can see, return num1 plus num2. Ang nire-return nito, num1 plus num2 din. Pareho silang may num1 and num2 sa taas. So, pareho silang int add. So, as you can see, int add din dito. So, meaning, magre-return sila ng integer. And as you can see, tinawag natin yung add dito sa loob ng print line, add 5, 7. Then dito, tinawag din natin sa loob ng cout yung add 5 and 7. So, ayun guys, so as you can see, meron tayong pattern na sinusundan. So, when nag-aral kayo ng isang programming language, pagka mag-aaral pa kayo ng isang programming language, huwag niyong kalimutan yung napag-aralan nyo dun sa last time. So, kunwari, nag-aral kayo ng C++, nakakabisado nyo na yung C++ or alam nyo na yung C++. Pagka lumipat kayo ng Java, huwag nyo kakalimutan yung natutunan nyo sa C++ kasi halos pareho lang, may iba lang kayong, so meron lang kayong konting papalitan and then makukuha nyo na agad yung Java. That's why it is an advantage na meron kayong logic when it comes to programming. So, Yun lang guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope na natutunan nyo and meron kayong nakuhang aral dito for today. And as always guys, thank you for watching this video and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye!